Hey, what's up everybody? So, new video for you guys. So we're gonna be replacing these big bulky turn signals, the big ones that nobody likes. We got these off of Amazon for $15. These small smoked LED ones. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do these for the front and then for the rear, for the fender eliminator that we got, and sleek the bike up a little bit. So every time you do these, when you take these off, to take off this whole front, it's 8mm bolts, 4 of them that go right here. After you do that, you got your plugs. Do not disconnect your plugs right away so you know which side is which. Makes it easier, and also these colors are the same as the rear. So your right side is the baby blue and green, which is your ground, and your back one as well, baby blue and green. And then your left side will be orange and green. Same thing for the rear. So to take off these mirrors after you take this off, it's a 14mm in there. So you just get an open wrench and just twist it off, and the rest you could spin off. And then once you spin it off, you can pull it out. And then normally when I do these, I just do them one by one. So we'll unplug the green, unplug that one, and once we do that, then we can pull it out. Like I said, it has a nut, so let's get that out of there real quick. There we go. So this is the nut that holds it in. We ain't gonna be using that, so we'll grab one of our new ones. Let's see here. Unravel this. Okay, so we got one. There we go. Okay, so we take the nut off that holds it. Okay, make sure to push that back in. Push the wires through. Get them through the hole. Okay. Okay, once you pull your wires through, whoops. Once it goes in, let's see, pull your wires through, pull this, okay, get it like that, and then we'll put the nut on, the plastic nut, and then we'll tighten it. And then, oh, I forgot on these on the fronts, since they have this big plastic tab, you're gonna have to cut that off. So it's pretty easy, honestly, to cut that off. And I'm gonna just get some pliers and then just peel it off. Because on the front you only need the nut. Take that off just like this, just like that. Just like this. So you'll take off all this excess just on the front. Let me get the other one. So this is how it comes. And then you just pull this off. And once you pull that off, and then, like I said, just there, it comes off pretty quick. Bend that out. That one. Cut these little sharp points. And then that's it. And then we can go put them on. So let's go take these. Okay, so let's do this one more time. Push this through. I'll show you guys one of each side. So I'll show you the one front and then one rear. I'll do the rest off camera. Okay. that. Put this through the nut. And normally what I do is I just hold the nut and then spin this. It's a little easier to do than to try to reach your hand in there. Just make sure you don't mess up the wires. And then where I put these, so when it's like this, I put them like this, so that's how it's gonna sit. So you got a slim little one, just like that, and they're LEDs, so they're bright orange when they light up, and then compared to your bulky one, big difference. So yeah, so check that out, it's gonna look way better. So nice and slim versus a big bulky ones that break anyways. So yeah, let me button up the front and then we'll get to the rear. So that's how the front looks, all buttoned up. Nice and slim, sleeker than these big cheap looking ones. So that's a big difference right there. And these are DOT approved as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Nice little mod, cheap, quick too, not too hard. Okay, so I got the rear on. Same thing, they just twist on. I don't cut the tops off of this one, the sides. That's how they look. So the wires are going in there through the holes. Same thing like the front, you got your grounds, so there's your blacks, go to your grounds. Your blue wire, that's gonna be your right side. So that stays to the right, and there's your left side, which is the orange. And now your turn signals are wired up. The only thing I gotta do is just connect the LED little light, this one right here. I'm about to wire this one into the plug, which is no big deal. Just need to get it in there. And then I'll just wire this one up to here, and that's it, and it'll be done. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. That's how you put the little lights on. So you put the front ones, the blinkers. That's the progress so far. That's where we're at. And stay tuned for more. We'll have more videos soon. And I'll get this cleaned up. I'll get some wrap over this so you don't see it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have a good one. Okay, so I have everything plugged up so I can show you the stuff working. So that's how it blinks. Blinks normal. Here's this side. Just go up to this side. That's working. This one, it's working. And let's turn this on. There's our LED. Everything's working. Okay, just to show you guys. Alright, man. Thanks for watching, guys. That's it.